Nestled at the foot of a dramatic mountain in San Juan, Malinalco, Mexico, Casa de Pedra offers a unique dialogue between architecture and nature. Surrounded by lush vegetation and breathtaking views, this home is designed to harmonize with both its natural setting and an existing country house nearby. The result is a seamless connection between the living space and the expansive landscape, creating an immersive experience of place. Materiality is key to the project's identity. Stone, the principal material, pays homage to Malinalco's traditional architecture while showcasing the craftsmanship of local builders. Floors, countertops, and bathrooms are finished with polished concrete, enriched with pigments made from local earth. This gives the surfaces a warm, earthy tone that strengthens the bond between the home and its landscape. The house embraces the concept of a soft loft, where open, fluid spaces encourage freedom of movement and flexible living. High ceilings and expansive windows amplify the sense of spaciousness, framing the surrounding scenery like ever-changing works of art. This open design blurs the boundary between inside and outside, reinforcing a profound sense of connection with nature. Nature itself becomes the star of the design. Oversized windows flood the interior with natural light while inviting the outdoors to shape the daily living experience. With just 72 square meters of built area, the home feels much larger thanks to its thoughtful layout. A terrace with a jacuzzi and an interstitial garden further enhance the connection to the outdoors, while also serving as a visual and ecological buffer between the house and its environment. Despite its open layout, spatial definition is achieved through subtle architectural gestures. The fireplace takes on a central role, not only offering warmth but also acting as an anchor for the interior composition. It defines different zones within the home without interrupting the overall flow, giving the space both coherence and flexibility. Finally, ironwork elements highlight Malinalco's artisanal traditions, while local construction methods and natural materials reduce the project's environmental footprint. The result is more than just a house, it's a retreat that balances sustainability, cultural identity, and contemporary design. Casa de Pedra demonstrates how thoughtful architecture can transform a modest footprint into a spacious, nature-centered sanctuary.